Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina, and for today's video, nasa episode 17 na tayo ng series na My Husband is a Mafia Boss. Actually, tinatry kong mag-vlog kasi ang laki nung singaw ko sa dila and namamaga yung upper right tooth ko. So, bear with me with this vlog, but I'll try to react as much as possible. So, ayun lang guys. And let's start in 3, 2, 1. Ito na, nawala na yung blueprint. Sobrang gulo naman ng bahay. Asa ka na ba, Amy girl? Aww. Sana all.
Mas maganda ko? Okay lang ko daw. Ano? Oh my God! Pinasok ba tayo ng magdanakaw?
Where the hell have you been?
Kumain na.
Kumain? Hindi ka man na nagsabi na kakain ka?
Eh, kasama ko naman yung mga friends mo eh.
Friends. The last time I checked, I don't have friends and never will be having one.
Hala! Wala daw siyang friends. Eh, ano pa? Bakit ka ba nagkakalit mo?
Dahil nag-alala ko. Sabi mo na ba na sumama sa mga hindi mo kakilala?
Oo, hindi. Nagpakilala sila sa akin.
Let's talk.
Tingnan mo to. Let's talk pang nalalaman. Tapos iiwan naman ako dito. Zee,
Kawawang Lamperouge.
Things you do for love.
Talaga ba, Lamperouge?
I'm sorry for how I reacted.
Buti naman na-realize mo yung mali.
Mali ko.
Tama ba yun? Nagalit ka dahil lang kumain ako.
I was angry because you left without informing me.
Okay. Ito, sorry din. Uy, pero alam mo, actually, tinatawagan kasi kita nun eh. Hindi ka sumusugot eh.
I was trying to call you pero cannot be reached ka.
Deadbat nga kasi ako. Paano mo nga naman matatawagan kung deadbat?
Tama. May point naman si Amy.
Fine. I'm sorry. It was my fault.
Okay. Apology accepted.
Sino ba kasi yung kasama?
Ayan na.
Ah! Dick!
Bakit?
Ah! May nakikita ka ba hindi ko nakikita? Dick! Bukas na yung third eye mo.
Stupid girl. I'm talking about the dumb asses you had dinner with.
Ah! Ayun ba? Si Felix at saka si Sid.
Phoenix and Sid, ha?
Nasabi yung pangalan.
Ano? Tama mo talaga. Wag mo sasabihin na sinabi ko yung mga pangalan nila, ha? Kasi sabi nila, secret lang dapat eh. May surprise kasi sila sa'yo eh.
Surprise?
Ako talaga.
What else did you guys talk about?
Ano naman, tinuruan mo nila ako magpasayas.
And?
At saka, nag-truth or dare kami. Tapos yung talo, sasagot ng mga questions.
Questions like?
Like, kung sino pumatay kay mo, kung saan lagi nagpupunta si Roswell, have I met Yaji, yung mga ganun-ganun lang. Ang galing nga nila, yung dami nilang alam.
Ay, nako, Amy. Sumasakit yung ulo sa'yo ni Zeke.
Okay ka lang? Hala, nahihilo ka na. Yan kasi, nagbabalipas ka kasi ng gutom eh. Ang kulit nito. Kumain ka nga muna. Ito, meron akong tinake-out eh.
Ano, gusto ko ng fries.
Choo-choo-roo, choo-choo train. Paparating na sa Santolan Station. Paparating na sa Santolan Station. Bababangga na yung tren. Sa mga ibibig mo daw. Ayan.
Ay, nako.
Gusto mo pa, tinutubuan ka eh. Oh, ayan. Sarap, diba?
Ay, nako.
Anong pinalak to? Uy! Zeke, ba't nasa sa'yo to? Binigay ko to kay Venus eh.
Venice.
Kay Sean Venus Berkins. Yung kambal ni Louie Berkins. Yung mga kaibigan ko sa Stonehurst, hindi mo ba sila kilala? Hiningi niya kasi sa akin to eh. May paggagamitan daw siya. Pero sabi niya, babalik na din daw kagad eh. Nag-promise siya.
Can you promise me not to trust anybody? Except me?
Okay. Promise. Saan? Gusto mo pong fries? Oh, ito pa oh. Kain ka pa. Sarap, diba? Uyain mo na.
Excited na ako sa scene na to.
I need the final updates on the plans for the launching of your toy company. Can you get it?
Final plan?
Patay ka.
Yes, for the launching event. Can I have a copy of your plans? It's been what, 2 weeks since you started working on it?
I think wala pa siyang nagagawa.
Paano mo nalaman?
Wife, I'm asking you.
Like I said, she clearly hasn't done anything. Ako naman mag-finalize ng guest list. Ezekiel, I brought you some lunch from a very fancy restaurant. It's pan-seared beef medallion with a side of whipped potato puree.
No thanks. My wife brought our lunch. Right, wife?
Yes, hubby. Allow me to present our artisanal handheld beef creation, layered in a toasted brioche vessel, accompanied by golden baton caught potatoes, delicately crisped to perfection.
Burger at french fries lang.
You've got it, Jen.
Dami mong sinasabi. Fast food lang yan. That's so cheap. I mean, don't you think that like,
I have a gun here. Do you want to meet one of its bullets?
Ooh.
Hala! Ay, pwede ba mag-date yun ang tao tsaka yung bala?
My lunch.
Ay,
Hungry.
okay. Say, ah! Sarap? Isa pa. More.
Patay kayo. Lagot kayo, lagot.
Kayo. Go to the conference room. Now! We have to discuss something. Wife,
Okay.
or please.
More? Okay. More balik. Wow, sarap. Favorite ko lang french fries.
You were following. Hindi bang gago? Hindi ko boss eh. Pero alamin ko as possible. Never mind. How about your Bull Street? How's Amy's mom been acting?
Wala rin ako napapansin kakaiba kay Mama Liana, boss.
Sure. Lee. Guardian Angel. Also known as Fausia Arcadia. She's an assassin. And also, para sila ng mafia ni Kevin Alvarez. Teka. Diyan din kasama yung ibang gagong sinusundan ko eh. Pero ang pinagtataka ko, kasama nila si Lionheart. Sabihin ko din ba nila yun? Lionheart we're not sure of. But Arcadia and Alvarez are with the Damascus, Sid Garnet, and Phoenix Wright. Sino mo yung boss? Those are the assholes you've been following. Moron. Barating kaya natin yung mga yan sa restaurant. Do you want to die, Lamperouche? Don't fucking meddle with my plans. Relax, Mr. Roswell. It's a suggestion. Wait. So kung magkakagrupo yung mga yun, kasali mo ba sinispiona sa kanila, Butsi? You guess?
Oo.
Oo.
Gusto mo? Agad ka. fries. Gusto mo?
I want nothing but your husband.
Asa ka.
Over naman sa pagkakatay gutom nito. Pati tao gusto kainin. Why do you want sick?
Why? Amy? You gonna do something about it? Listen. I love him.
Talaga ba?
And sooner or later, he will be mine. So keep that in mind. Amy.
Grabe yung facial expression niya, oh. Like, yung grabe yung mata ni ni Amy. Like, kinikilabutan ako. Grabe. Grabe. Grabe yung face switch.
Ano? Bakit anak?
What the hell did you do? You almost killed her.
Anong ginawa?
Boy.
Anong ginawa ko?
Get her out of here. Now! This is Stonehouse. Let's go.
Kala mo, ah. Buti nga sa'yo, deserve mo.
Anong ginawa ko?
Grabe, ang galing ni Amy. Ang galing ni Rin.
Anong ginawa ko? Bakit ginawa yun? Hindi ko alam.
Ang galing niya. Like, mata-mata lang yung ginawa niya. Mata-mata lang.
Sorry, hindi ko talaga alam.
Ang galing ni Rin. Deserve na deserve niya si Amy.
Tom, sorry. Hindi ko talaga alam yung ginawa ko.
It's okay. You don't have to say sorry. I fully understand. I know how it feels. There have been many times in my life when my anger got the better of me. I don't want you to become like me.
Masama niyo ba ako, Dong?
No, but what pushed you to do that anyways?
Kasi sinabi niya na love ka daw niya. Tapos sabi niya, you'll be hers daw sooner or later. So ganun niya ako. Dinunod niya ako. Tumasik ako doon. Sorry.
You should have killed her.
Ay! Ang sama mo!
Ako masama. You're the one who strangled her. I'm just kidding.
Dong.
just kidding. You're not bad wife. If ever, I will still love you. I love you more than anything else, wife.
Ay, panghigop na naman talaga. Ang pahigop, Joseph? Yung totoo. Mukbang na naman yan. Bikini.
Get back here. All of you get inside.
Wrong timing talaga.
What's so fucking funny, La Peruche? Wala, boss. Yung guys ko kasi nagpapagate sa akin, alam ko. Alam na gwapo ako.
Let's get back to business.
We're supposed to do our toy company launch at the Roswell Corporation. And now we're changing the venue. The four of you will help organize my wife's toy company launch. And make sure to add Mr. Ferrer as one of the VIP guests.
Ah, yung daddy ni Kylie! Sa wakas, makikilala ko na din siya.
For now, kayo naman ang bahala dito.
Ay, doon ka, alis ka.
Lamperouge, I need your bike. Yung baby ko? Gusto mo siya? Bigay ko na. Sensya ka na. Okay, sige. No problem. Huwag mo nang itutok yung marilin yung mukha.
Ay, sick! Pag ako nagkabaril, gusto ko din gawin yung mga ginagawa niya kay na Kaiser.
Uy! Kayo dito.
I can kill you whenever I want to. No matter where you are or who you're with. Remember this. The next time you lay your hands on my wife, it will surely be the end of your life.
Hindi ko maramdaman yung takot kay kuya. Parang siya yung walang bangas.
Let's start, wife.
Ay, Captain!
Sorry, ikaw nakatingin eh.
Feeling ko, nag-ano lang tong si Vash.
Fuck you, Bull Tricks! Monster kill!
Monster.
Good job, wife. Nice one. Nice one.
Siya eh.
Mami?
Hi, Baby A. Diyan ako matutulog sa bahay ni Mami ang gabi, ah. Pwede ba?
Ay! Opo, syempre pwede. Sige. Sige pa. Bye-bye, Mami.
What did she say?
Sa bahay daw siya mamaya matutulog.
What?
What? Okay. Training's done.
Wala? Bakit naman?
We have to prepare. She's arriving. Let's go. Let's go.
Uy, prepare na. Uy.
Sayang 1,000 ko sa'yo, pre.
Okay lang, at least hindi ako bultado.
Buldado! 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 Buldado!
Lakas ni Lamperouge.
What's your mom's favorite food?
Favorite ni Mami yung mga seafoods eh. Bangus, maya-maya, tahong, tulingan, sapsap, lapu-lapu, maya-maya.
I get it. Eh, juice, boss. Ano, binanggit mo na mahilig sa sarili sa juice. Ako din. Shut the fuck up, Lamperouge. Ito, boss.
Uy!
Hey! Get those junk out of the cart.
No!
We're not eating trash. Fine. Just one bite.
No, isa lang. Eh, di ba, sabi mo nga mag-sleep over silang apat sa bahay. Oo, dapat madaming chichirya.
Just one bite. Choose one.
Dong? Gusto mo ng baby?
What?
Di ba? Isa yun sa 10 ways to be a perfect wife. Give him a baby. Ano dong? Gusto mo bigyan kita ng baby? Kaya, gusto mo bigyan kita ng baby? Uy! Uy! Ano ba yan? Parang bingi naman to eh. Uy! Uy, Gabo! So, saan ka pupunta? Uy, saan ka pupunta? Di mo pa sinasagot yung tanong ko. Gusto mo ba ng baby? Bakit? Ano mo masama doon sa sinabi ko? Bala siya basta bibigyan ko siya ng baby. Excuse lang nga. Baby.
Baby. Ano, baby nga naman.
Tulog mo na. Naman.
Ayun lang ako.
Mga baliw.
Oh, what took you so long?
This isn't close to the supermarket. So, what's new kainin? I don't know. Kala ko, you said this girl's job is to spy on her?
It is.
Basta, ako lang. I'm gonna continue my pagiging goody-goody friend with her. Uto-uto naman. Did you hear what happened to Phoenix and the guys?
Yeah, my mom told me. I told her that it's better to kill off both Yaji and Roswell as soon as possible.
I thought that. Can I be the one to kill Amy girl?
You know, I'm really surprised that you're the one that wants to kill her.
Girl, I told you before, diba? I found out from my mom that Tita Aliana is the one that's responsible for my father's death. So if I kill Amy, patas lang yan. At least her bitch of a mom will know exactly what.
Who's that?
Patay kayong tatlo. Walang sinabi pero na-spare kayong tatlo.
Mami, bakit nga po pala dito nyo naisip ang matulog ngayon?
Linalo lang kita, baby
Ay, tabi pa tayo matulog mamaya.
No. You'll sleep beside me, wife.
I'm her mother. I came here to spend some time with my daughter.
Apologies, madam. But Amy's my wife. My house, my rules. I have the authority to kick you out of here if you don't follow my house rules.
My daughter will sleep beside me. You can do anything about it. I don't care if this is your house. I'm your mother-in-law. I will do what I want.
Mami, wala na po.
Don't touch me. Amy, matulog na tayo.
Sige po. Ay, mami, na tayo movies. Tapos turuan mo ulit ako umakyat.
Wife, I thought you were going to give me something.
Huh? Ay! Oo nga pala, buti pinaalala mo. Wait lang, kukunin ko lang, ha?
Mami, may kukunin ako.
Wait lang.
Please.
OMG. Grabe tong tapatan ni Prosper tsaka ni Miss Aliana. And that's the end of my reaction video. Like, ang daming nangyayari na hindi natin inaasahan. Like, for example, yung pag-switch ng personality ni Amy from being a sweet girl, tapos biglang sinakal niya si Fiona. Like, daming nangyayari. Pero, anyways guys, hindi ko na kaya magsalita ng matagal. Thank you for watching. And please, stream legally. Gusto nyo ng season 2? Stream legally. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye.